guys, it's me, Tia Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. I am super excited. This is a ginormous, like, oh my god, the biggest Bath and Body Works haul I think I've ever done, maybe. I don't know. It feels like it's the biggest Bath and Body Works haul because it's just so many items from so many different sales. Because I just wanted to wait till I had everything in for my online order before I did the video. And they had a sale today for $4.95 candles, the single wicks. So I took advantage of that. Whew, y'all. And then Land of Sweets comes out on Monday. Yeah, Land of Sweets comes out on Monday. And I'll have another haul for you in a walkthrough because I want to walk through Land of Sweets. So let's first talk about it. Hair is different. Video will be coming up on this hair. Actually got it from SVT Hair. Y'all, so the video will be up on this hair on Monday. But yeah, this is my new look. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Yeah. I can rock with this. I definitely am feeling this hair. So you'll see a video on that. Yeah, so we're gonna get started, guys, because it's just so much. Like, y'all, oh my god. It's so much. It's so much. So let's get started. Let's start off with what's in my crate. Y'all, ordered this offline, and this is what I was really waiting on to do the haul. Look at it. This is the Gingerbread House sanitizer. It's the Gingerbread House foaming soap dispenser. Look how cute this is. Oh my god. I just had to have it. Like, the regular price on it is $16.50. I got it for 20% off. Plus I went through Rakuten so I can get cash back. If you're not using Rakuten, what are you doing? Information's below. Get cash back when you shop Bath and Body Works online. And if you go through the store, I always tell y'all to go through Ibotta so you can get cash money. You're smelling it like it's something in here. It ain't nothing in here. But you put the soap in here, you know, the foaming hand soap, not the other one, just the foaming. And people can wash their hands and they get this cute little Christmas look or whatnot. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I don't know if this is going to go in the kitchen or in the kids' bathroom, but I'm afraid they'll break it. So this is probably just going to go in the kitchen. But this Gingerbread House, I had to have it. I had to have it since Laura posted it. And I was like, yes, I need that. So I got it. I want to get into the collections of the mists and stuff, but I want to make y'all wait on those. So just hold on, y'all. Let's go to soaps. So the first soap over here is the Cranberry Peach. They were doing $3.50 soaps. No, $3 soaps. And I got the Cranberry Peach. I love the design for this year for the Cranberry Peach. So I got that one. I got the Iced Cinnamon Roll. Iced cinnamon roll looks just like this. Y'all, iced cinnamon roll smells so good. It's a little weird because it does have that orange note in it. Like, why did y'all put orange in it? But it's still really good. Like, the notes are a Merry Bright blend of warm cinnamon rolls, fresh orange, and sugar glaze. Like, the orange is light. Yeah, it's light. It's really light. But it gives you that extra zest or something to it. So it's really good. I love it. So yes, I have to have another one in the packaging. I mean, come on, look at that packaging. That is super cute. I did pick up Midnight Frost. Midnight Frost is new. Where are the notes? The notes are iced lavender, a clary sage, and chilled musk. Love this scent, y'all. This smells really good. So if you were thinking if Midnight Frost is good, get it. I love that one. I got the champagne toast, of course. Anything champagne toast, I get it. Next day I'm going to get the other champagne toast soap that came out. That way I have all the champagne toasts because I love champagne toast and I kind of like collect them. I got the Arctic Berry. It's pretty good. It's just berries, you know, it's snow-kissed berries, iced pomegranate, and cedarwood. So it's okay. The packaging is kind of cool. So that's why I got that one. In this lip gloss day, y'all. I missed it. I was hot too. It was my first day back at work, so I missed the lip glosses. I couldn't get there in time. But they had a buy two get one free, so I took advantage of that. I got the cinnamon because I love the cinnamon from C.O. Bigelow. Oh, so good. So I got that, and I got two of the hot cocoa. Everybody's keep calling it hot cocoa and cream, and I call it hot cocoa and cream too, but it just says on here hot cocoa. but I call it hot cocoa and cream because that's what I want to call it. And Nicole was so right. She says it's a lot like the lava candle is what it smells like, and she is really right. It's not like the hot cocoa and cream candle. It's more like the lava candle, the lava cake candle, which I absolutely must have at candle day because it smells so good. I'm gonna probably get like 3 of them. This is a really nice lip gloss, y'all, and even on the lips it gives off to me a nice little bit of color. Let me just show y'all, okay? And I even tasted it. I know it's nasty to taste lip gloss, but I tasted it. I was just curious because the smell is just so chocolatey, and y'all, it smells like it tastes. But don't be going around licking on your lip gloss, like, you know what I mean? But this is what it looks like. Really good, really pretty. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Now my whole hand right here smells like hot cocoa. I absolutely love it. So, I mean, if you don't get any of them, you need to get the hot cocoa. Get the hot cocoa. You need them. So this was my buy 2 get 1 free. The other day they were doing $5.95 into the night, and I had all these free into the night coupons. So I was like, why get an into the night product when I got the free coupon? It's silly. But okay, since Galore posted this and Queen of the Girl Geeks showed it on her channel, the into the night with glotion is what it's called. It goes for $18.50. Y'all look at that. Isn't that cute? It goes for $18.50 and it was only 5 something. So I thought that would be worth it. It looks just like this. And y'all, it is glittery as heck. It is glittery. Really glittery. Like, let me put some on my other hand. That way you guys can see how glittery it is. So I'm just going to put just a little bit. And then it looks like this. And your whole hand is going to have glitter all over it. Like, you see how that's sparkling? That's all the glitter, and I only used a little bit. So it's a lot of glitter in it. And if you don't like Into the Night, of course you're not gonna like it. Into the Night to me is okay. It's not like, oh my God, Into the Night, I need it. No, Into the Night is like, Into the Night, okay. But I think it's alright. It's not something I would wear every day. It's just a special occasions kind of thing to me. But it's alright. And that glotion, I am going to get some good use out of that. Also that day, they were doing the Wallflowers. The Wallflowers were $3.50 and I got Land of Sweets ones. And with it, I did use one of my coupons to get a free Into the Night item. And the free item I got was the moisturizing body wash because the packaging was really cute. And y'all know I'm bougie now and I like to use the moisturizing body washes only. But I am finishing up my collection of the regular body washes. But from now on, I don't buy them because I don't. But the moisturizing body washes I will. So to get this one for free was great. So that was my free item and this is my purchase. So I got 2 of the chocolate lava cakes because when I tell you chocolate lava cake, it's the bomb. Like, chocolate lava cake it's amazing. It is amazing. And then I got 1 of the blueberry sugar. And I got 1 of the Mary Mimosa because I like the Mary Mimosa. So I got that too. So those are the Wallflowers that I got. And before we get into the body care, I wanted to show you the candles that I got because today the candles are $4.95 for the 1 wicks. So I got 4 of them, but I broke it into 2 separate transactions because I had 2 separate coupons and they were cool with that. So I got 2 of the winter candy apples. Y'all, winter candy apples smell so good in the 1 wick and the packaging is really, really cute. So I got 2 of these and then my free item, I got the Into the Night lotion. So I got this. Packaging is super, super cute because I had the coupon, you know, for the free lotion. And then I got a Twisted Peppermint because Twisted Peppermint is life and it smells really good and it's going to go really nice in the bathroom. And I got a hot cocoa and cream. And hot cocoa and cream, I just couldn't pass it up because the packaging on it is just really, really cute. So I got that one too. And then with that purchase, I got another Into the Night lotion. So that was what I got with that transaction. And the store even had 75% off pocketbacs. So I got 2 75% off pocketbacs. I got watermelon lemonade. Actually, I got 2 watermelon lemonades. They're both the same. So I have 2 watermelon lemonades right here for y'all to see. And everything went in this beautiful crate. So I have another one of these crates, okay? Another one. Moment we all been waiting for, even me. I wanted to start with the body care first, but I was like, nah, I gotta get home fragrance out the way, and everything else, lotions and stuff. So, okay. And I'm gonna do several reviews if you guys want to see my thoughts on them. But the first thing, Frosted Coconut Snowball. This is what Frosted Coconut Snowball looks like. The notes on this is, what is it? Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Fresa, and Snow Kiss Woods. And the packaging this year is absolutely beautiful. So I had to have it for packaging purposes. I did get the Vanilla Bean Noel. Vanilla Bean Noel is just Vanilla Bean Noel. We all know what Vanilla Bean Noel is. And Mary Cherry Cheer. And this is the Mary Cherry Cheer for this year. They did take one of the notes out in it. The notes this year is maraschino cherry, pomegranate cider, and sugary musk. What is that note that they took out of it? The cherimoya. They took the cherimoya out of it, so it's not in it this year. And I'm telling you, it smells better this year than last year. So if you wanted Mary Mimosa, oh my God, can Mary Mimosa be a skincare line? But Mary Cherry Cheer, this year is a better year to get it because it's more cherry, so it's really nice. So I got those. I got the new. This is the raspberry sugar. This is the first year raspberry sugar coming out, as they say. They say it's the first time. Fragrance notes: sugar, raspberry, plum blossom, winter, white lily. It's okay. I mean, I don't. Oh, what's the best way to put this? It's okay. Like, you don't need to hoard this. You don't need a lot of them. If you got one of them, great. If you didn't pick up the lotion, who cares? I mean, I was really excited about it and it didn't meet my expectations. And the Snowy Citrus Swirl. Can you say that 10 times fast? Snowy Citrus Swirl. Absolutely love the packaging of it. Y'all, let me read the notes to you. The fragrance notes: chilled tangerine, whipped marshmallow, creamy tonka bean, fresh vanilla. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this is lit. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This is lit. You need this one. Snowy Citrus Swirl is life. I can't even be calm and be a broadcaster in this. I have to be real. I have to be 100. You need this one. If you don't get any of them, Snowy Citrus Swirl. Excuse my phone. Snowy Citrus Swirl. Say it again. Snowy Citrus Swirl. For the people in the back. Snowy Citrus Swirl. Okay? You need this one. You need this one. It's like a creamsicle. Like a creamsicle. Jesus. God had his hand in this. God had his hand in this, y'all. You need this. You need this. You need this. When Land of Sweets comes out, I'll tell you what you need to Land of Sweets. But as for what just came out, Snowy Citrus Swirl. Oh, Snowy Citrus Swirl. This was the best one that came out of all of them. Now let's go on to the mist. I only got 3 of the mist. Yeah, so the first one is Twisted Peppermint. Michael pointed this out, that the menthol note in the Twisted Peppermint is gone this year, which is great. The menthol note didn't bother me that much, but you know, it is bothersome. But it's gone now. It's not there this year. So I had to make sure I got a Twisted Peppermint because I was going to skip this until Michael said that. And then I went ahead and got the Twisted Peppermint. Really, really pretty packaging this year. I did get the raspberry sugar. I don't even know if I'm going to keep it. Like, I don't know. I'm not going to keep the lotion. I'm probably going to take the lotion back. Yeah, like the raspberry sugar, I'm probably going to take this back too because the raspberry sugar doesn't do much for me. So I'm probably going to take this back too. I'm going to return it. So the raspberry sugar and the raspberry sugar. This line is probably going back to Bath and Body Works. And I'm going to trade it out probably for something from Land of Sweets. Yeah, because the raspberry sugar, I can't really get into it. But this Snowy Citrus Swirl though. I might trade it out for Snowy Citrus Swirl, y'all, because y'all, creamsicle life. Like, you're not going to just use this in the winter. You're not. You can bathe in it. Bathe in it. Bathe in it. You can bathe in this. Like Michael says, if you can bathe in it, you need to hoard it. And I can bathe in snowy citrus swirl. Like, I love it. Like, I absolutely love snowy citrus swirl. So I was hoping to love raspberry sugar, and I just didn't love raspberry sugar. But this snowy citrus swirl though, y'all need this. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from Bath and Body Works. Did you enjoy the haul? Oh my god, it was lit. I loved everything that I got except for raspberry sugar. That gotta go. That gotta go. We gotta go home and then need to get the hell out of here. But I'm gonna get out of here because this video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.